Welcome back. Now once you have Canva for Work, you will then have a fully functioning brand kit. So in other words, you'll be able to go to the brand kit. Once you open up the brand kit, you'll be able to add in more than 2 colors. Without Canva for Work, you can only add 2 colors to your color palette. So if you have other colors, you can add those colors here in this area. What you also have is you'll have certain font combinations that are suggested. However, you can change those suggested fonts here in this area that you're going to be using with your brand logo and all of the other content. In the brand kit, you can also upload a new font. Once you have the font you want, you'll need to confirm with Canva that you have the right to use it. You'll then click the disclosure. You'll then click yes. And then the font will then be uploaded to your brand kit. And you'll have access to it here. You'll also have access to your logo. So you'll be able to go to your hard drive and pull your logo into your brand kit. Once you have the brand kit, it will belong to your entire team. For example, if you were to create a design, you would then click on the form that you want to use. And if you wanted to choose a color, what you're going to see is that your brand colors are going to be there. And the same is going to be true for your entire team. Now, when you are editing your design, if you want to use a logo, all you'll need to do is to go inside of your folder. And what you'll notice is that you have your logos available to you here in your folder. And these are the logos from your brand kit. All you need to do is to click in and you'll be able to add those logos to your image. Now, when you're working with font in a design, what you can do is you can open up the design and you're going to open up your font. And what you'll notice is that you have your brand fonts here as well as your uploaded fonts. So if you want to change a font to one of your brand fonts, you can do that inside of your menu if you have Canva for Work. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.